Ouch! The cat ran away.
One here and one here.
Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are giving Han some cornrows.
Cornrows.
His hair has grown so much since last time I gave you the haircut. Was it the quarantine haircut? And
we've got that quarantine growth. And for our Somali viewers out there and our non-Somali viewers that are speaking Somali right now, Sadete, Sodawa.
You look like you belong in some sort of boy band or something. What's it called? B2K? What is it called? No. What are they called? The Asian band?
I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one.
Okay, so
K-pop band.
I parted in the middle and I got some gel. I'm using some gel and I'm gonna see if this works to hold it together because his hair is very straight and
I have a name, yeah?
Han's hair is very straight.
Thank you, appreciate that.
Tilt your head up a little bit.
Hey, my eye.
Sorry. What's that one?
I am dead. Did he say he was gonna say girlfriend, but he said daughter? Did I say daughter? I don't think so.
I think he said
Daughter. I said daughter.
Ah.
Not daughter.
Okay. So you said, and this is in the
Couples tag.
couples tag video.
Yeah.
All right. He's just cleared that up.
It's good to know
It is.
that daughter sounds like chicken.
Daughter sounds like chicken?
No.
You said daughter.
Daughter sounds like daughter. We have another one right here. Did Shuk ever think that she would be with an Asian guy?
Wow.
From an Asian viewer.
I don't think so. No. I don't think anyone really just goes, okay, I'm gonna be with this person and they're gonna be from this country and this continent and this, yeah. Things happen.
It's a nice bonus, isn't it, Shuks?
What's the bonus? Tilt your head forward. What's the bonus?
Being with an Asian guy.
What's the bonus?
What's the bonus?
Yeah.
Well, you tell me. What's the bonus?
What's the...
Huh? What's the bonus?
What are you talking about? I don't get your question.
Next. Oh, it's the same. Okay, the same guy.
Okay.
He said, I like all your videos. Shuks seems very Asian. And the boba and the yoga. With the boba and the yoga. Very Asian-like. We don't have a lot of Somali people here in CA. In Cali. And I never seen one with an Asian guy. So you guys are really very unique. Plus your Aussie accents sound cute.
Oh,
Thank you.
Thank you. That's so nice. Very nice. I think everyone is so sweet in our videos. Like I really appreciate that. I appreciate everyone's comment and look, I couldn't find rubber bands. Like I couldn't. Why are you laughing?
I can't believe you got a cat and the Chinese man. That's amazing. The cat is still alive. Really though?
What?
Well, keep watching our videos. One day when you see when Opie is not around, you're gonna know what happens.
What?
I'm playing. We're playing here.
It's not something to play about, yeah? Besides, you're vegetarian, so...
I'm vegetarian. You're vegetarian. I eat a lot of vegetarian meals because you're vegetarian.
Okay, anyways. I did one side, and it's really hard to work with your hair, Han.
Yeah.
It's really hard. Like.
How is it, guys? I think we might have to give it a.
Look at this.
Okay, I think that's it for today. I think that's enough.
Okay, everybody, that's a wrap.
What is this? What is this? Huh?
Oh, you look like a Barbie doll.
Well, thank you. Thank you for making me look like a Barbie doll. Appreciate it.
You know the ones that that have like two heads. They don't have much hair, they're just two pieces of hair.
Or like Coolio. Have you seen Coolio these days?
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, let's do the other side, and then maybe I'll bring it together and I'll just braid them together.
Yeah, I'll do it together. Yeah.
No, let's do the other side.
Okay.
One side is done.
Did you do one? Like one big one?
One big one, yeah. That's why it looks like a like a broomstick or something. You know the Asian broomsticks? Yeah. Maybe they got the idea from your hair.
The cat's so funny. Yoga cat. Yoga cat.
I like that actually, Yoga Cat. My friend's new name is Yoga Cat.
You guys are so much fun. Great work. Perseverance, and you nailed it. Nailed it.
Okay, tilt your head back. Let's hope this one is much better than the last one. So, fingers crossed. I think this one will look so much better.
Tartib.
I'm going easy. It's not that. I'm just trying to make it look better. Maybe I need to do it tighter.
Sure. Do what you gotta do. Tartib.
Why do you keep yelling Tartib?
I'm losing it. I need some head support, yeah?
This is what happens when you get your hair braided. You don't have head support. Just support it with your neck muscles.
Okay.
Like, you've got them, don't you?
I don't know, do I?
Let go of that hand and find out. Okay, what do we have?
Okay, we have our toilet paper workout. Ahmed Muse says, so that's where all the toilet rolls have gone, huh? Great workout, guys. Thank you, Richie. Appreciate the love, bro. Stop it, Opie. Oprah.
Is she scratching
Ah! Stop it.
you? Is she scratching you? So
Okay, we've got one here.
And we're getting there.
We've got one here. Forgot about kitten, baby. When are you guys gonna have the real babies? LOL. When? Whoa, look how little Opie looks.
She was so tiny.
You guys see her?
She was so tiny. This just looks ridiculous. I did not think it was gonna turn out like this.
Okay.
You're gonna love it.
I'm sure I will.
Oh. Alright, let's see how it looks like. It doesn't look the best. I don't think it looks the best, but let's just see. I can't. I can't.
You make me look like Gel.
I can't with this. What the hell was that?
You make me look like Gel. Stop it.
Who talks like that? What kind of accent is that?
Oh, look at that sun. Feel that sun.
What kind of accent is that?
It's just a normal person speaking.
Maybe
No accent.
made me look like a girl.
Make me look like Gel.
What's wrong with looking like a girl? What's wrong with that?
Nothing. Nothing, Shukri. Nothing at all.
Okay, let's see. It looks good. It's just I find it funny, but it looks good. Okay.
All right, and here we have the end result. I can't really see what it looks like. Shuks, what's your opinion?
It looks really good. It looks so good. It looks beautiful. Like it's just two like beautiful cornrows going down. Like one is bigger than the other, but it's beautiful.
The beauty of imperfection.
Exactly. They shouldn't look exactly the same. They should. These are my favorite bits, like this here.
Okay.
But it looks really good. It looks really good. Let me know what you guys think. Let him know how good it looks.
Because I cannot see what she did to my hair right now. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Ask us any questions that you want to know from Han and Shuks. And let us know what you want us to do on the next video.
Oh, maybe you can braid my hair.
Maybe I will braid your hair. How about that, huh?
I don't...
Okay.
No.
Say bye, Opie. Bye.
Opie, come here. Oh.
Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna split it in the middle.
Ouch! The cat ran away.
One here and one here. Alright? Just like this. I'll got you guys on the next one.
You can't braid. You can't do cornrows.
Let's take a photo. Cheese. Opie.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Is this a workout? Okay, start again.